finally here now. And snowing a lot here. So yun guys, kung makikita nyo, parang ano lang to, for kids. Matutuwa talaga yung mga bata kapag nandito. Wow, the sun is shining.
Saka isang malaking bata dito.
Yo, may isang batang naglalaro dito. It's snowing a little bit here. After clearing snow from the road, we will go there too of Kuopio para i-meet yung isa niyang tita and his tita Asta also with children. Is that for drink, honey? Ah, no. Yeah, that's why I'm asking, because why the color is different color. Shh. Tubig ng lawa. Okay. Finally here now, and snowing a lot here.
Kami ng yung pasalubong para sa aking godmother o tita Helena.
Oh, yung and she's living there.
Tapos siyempre.
The bulaklak, rose flower. Oh, may gulay. Snowing a lot now. We have to walk fast.
Maikli ba ang mga paa mo?
So, ayun, finally done. Kumain lang kami ng lunch and then nagkape sila. Ako hindi nagkape. Ayaw kong magkape. And the sun is shining. Wow. Nakakamiss pala pag minsan mo lang makikita si Haring Araw. So, pabalik na kami doon sa parking area. And then next, we will go to winter event. Right, honey? Winter event. And your Tita Asta was there waiting for us, right? Wow! Daw manul-manul takon kang adlaw.
Come so far away from home, there's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall.
Ang ganda ng panahon today. And then yung bus na yun, hindi yung double decker. Yung bus na yun.
Hindi nakita ko.
Hindi mo nakita. Nasa harap mo na, hindi mo nakita. Because yung mga bus dito, yung ibang bus na may double decker, yung may parang mayroon siyang first floor and second floor. Minsan mo lang makikita yan. Wala yata sa Pilipinas na ganyan.
Ganda ng sikat ng araw.
Ang ganda. Sobra. Minsan ka lang dito makakita ng sikat ng araw kapag winter time. So ngayon, maybe the spring is coming. Madalas mo nang makikita si Haring Araw. Ito yung lawa. May nag-skiing doon. No? Video inside the car. OMG, masilaw. Ang daming cars na pumapasok dito. Actually, this is island, right?
Yeah, these are islands.
This is island, but may ano doon, may tulay. Yun lang yung ano, yung dumugtong para makarating dito. Finally here. The sun is shining now. Basang-basa na yung mga yellow dito. Nandito kami sa isang park. Parang park man to. And looking for his Tita Asta. Hinahanap namin siya, tinatawagan niya kung nasaan na. Ang ganda dito. Anong tawag sa park na to, ani?
This is Kunnan Paikka.
Paikka. Paikka is park?
Paikka is lugar.
It looks like park. Pasyalan ba? So yan guys, kung makikita nyo, parang ano lang to, for kids. Ang daming mga bata. Tapos doon, mayroong kabayo. Tapos nandun yung mga bata nakapila. Tapos sasakay sila, paiikot. Isang ikot lang. Pabalik doon. Matutuwa talaga yung mga bata kapag nandito. Wow, the sun is shining.
Saka isang malaking bata dito. Yun, pabalik na naman doon yung kabayo. Let's go! Let's go back to the car. Kukunin niya yung gloves niya, naiwan na naman niya. How many times na nangyari yan? So, papasok kami dyan.
Finally, we met his Tita Asta and children.
Wow. Ganda ng sunshine dito. Yo, may isang batang naglalaro dito.
Let's go to ice fishing.
Let's try ice fishing.
Let's try, but I haven't tried that.
I haven't tried that either.
And you are living here in England for how many years and you didn't try it?
I'm not a fisherman. Yeah. So here we are walking on the ice of the Lawa.
Oh, this is lake. Not
Yeah.
sea.
Lake.
Ang lapad naman ng lake. The lake here, very wide. Like
Yeah, you are always.
like a river.
You think always that is that lake?
Yeah.
Not
Because
sea.
this is looks like a river now in Philippines.
River. You mean sea?
River and sea are different. They are different.
Talaga? Are you kidding me?
No, river is different than sea.
Totoo
You
ba?
don't know that?
Tama ba?
Oh.
Okay. And the sun is shining brightly. Winter sun here.
Haluatko käyttää kaikki?
Ei tarvi.
Joo.
Sana meron. One big fish, please.
So the bait is there almost at the bottom because the fishes are there in the deep waters now.
Yo.
Ice fishing, Filipina. Is there any fish?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Yo.
Walang mga tilapia.
I'm just trying to catch a fish here, but I think wala pa.
But beautiful weather anyway.
After? Wala pa, bakit?
But the most important thing is, even if you don't catch fish, you have fun times. You feel relaxed.
Tinatawag ko lahat ng mga isda sa karagatang ito. Lumapit kayo sa akin. Lahat ng isda, lumapit kayo dito.
Ay, sayang, walang nahuli. Wala kahit ni isa. Oh my gulay. Kawawang isang Finnish dito at isang Filipina.
Look, there is a
What is that?
maggot.
Oh, okay.
Maggot, it's alive.
You're still alive.
But
And
no fish here.
umuwi kaming luhaan. Walang nahuling isda. Walang isda kahit ni isa.
Pero masaya kami, di ba?
Oo, masaya. Yung guys, yung bata. Cute. So, anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Uuwi kami.
Uwi na kami.
Yeah.
Going back home.
Magsasauna.
And then, mag-prepare ako ng aming mga dinner.
Magseservesa ako.
Serbesa.
Oo, siyempre.
5 serbesa o may gulay.
Masarap ang yung mga serbisyo.
So, ayan. Let's go there to your Tita Asta and saying bye-bye before we leave here.
Let's see.
Oh, nandun yata. Where they are.
I don't know.
Ah, there. Look.
What?
Doon sa taas.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I'll keep pushing, never slow down. A big blue sky, a pocket of dreams, a head full of hopes, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall